Boys, welcome back YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you are all fine and good. Today we'll see in this video. Today we'll see in this videos modern beautiful bob with bangs haircuts ideas. Latest and stylish. You will see unique modern bob with bangs haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. So lovely viewers, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. You will see unique modern haircut designs. So lovely viewers, do you have new ideas of unique haircuts ideas? Viewers, please tell me in the comment section. To tell me how was my videos. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Watch new modern beautiful haircut designs. I hope you like my videos, friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. So guys, I might suggest you just keep on watching this videos till the end. Watch new stylish unique haircut designs. I hope you like my videos, friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. Watch new beautiful stylish haircut designs. I will make a similar videos and present it in front of you. You watch new unique haircut designs. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Watch new beautiful stylish haircuts designs. Marvelous and stylish, you will see attractive haircuts ideas. So these are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this video. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring stylish haircut designs. I always try to bring unique haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel. I always try to bring modern haircut designs. So I hope you like my videos, friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. So take care, friends.